Did you know there's a legume that can help you fight atherosclerosis, cholesterol, diabetes, and even prevent heart attack? So stop everything you're doing right now. Grab a paper and pen, because you're about to learn all the benefits and how to use this incredible legume to cure the problem you're facing right now. You won't need any medication. Just this super legume will help fight the health problems I mentioned before. Can you guess which legume I'm talking about? If you are looking for a powerful addition to your diet, then you will be delighted with chickpeas. Chickpeas, often called garbanzo beans, have been cultivated and enjoyed in Middle Eastern countries for thousands of years. Chickpeas are rich in fiber, protein, and healthy fats, and they have a low glycemic index. In today's video, you'll learn some of the health benefits of chickpeas and also learn how to make your own chickpea flour to incorporate into your recipes. Make sure to watch until the end to not miss this. But first, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Let's make this the most liked video on the channel ever. Are you experiencing any issues with heart problems, high cholesterol, or diabetes? What part of the world are you from? After we've watched the video, drop a comment below so we can get to know each other better. Now, let's look at the 11 amazing health benefits of chickpeas based on evidence. 1. Balanced cholesterol. Being rich in fiber, chickpeas reduce the absorption of fats from foods in the intestines, balancing cholesterol levels in the blood, and thus preventing cardiovascular diseases, such as atherosclerosis, heart attack, and stroke. Furthermore, it is essential to pay attention to all the other foods we consume and to seek guidance from a professional to advise on the best way to include these foods in the diet of those facing this disease. A review of 26 studies suggests that consuming at least one serving of legumes, such as chickpeas, each day may significantly reduce LDL, bad cholesterol levels. 2. Strengthen the immune system. Chickpeas contain zinc and vitamin E, nutrients with antioxidant properties that protect and strengthen immune system cells, aiding in wound healing and helping to fight colds, allergies, and the flu. 3. Promote muscle gain. Rich in protein, chickpeas, when consumed with cereals such as rice, bread, and pasta, provide a good quantity and quality of essential amino acids necessary for muscle mass gain. 4. Improve heart health. Chickpeas are naturally low in sodium and free of cholesterol. They also provide a good source of polyunsaturated fats, which can help control and lower your cholesterol levels, ultimately reducing your risk of heart disease. Chickpeas are an excellent source of various minerals, including magnesium and potassium. These nutrients can support heart health by helping to prevent high blood pressure, which is a significant risk factor for heart disease. 5. Promote intestinal health. Rich in insoluble fiber, chickpeas support proper intestinal function by promoting water absorption into the stool, making it softer and helping to combat constipation. Additionally, chickpeas contain resistant starch, a type of carbohydrate that is not absorbed by the body and acts like fiber, serving as food for the good bacteria in the gut. This helps prevent issues such as intestinal infections, diarrhea, and constipation. 6. Help control blood sugar. Chickpeas are rich in fiber, which slows down the absorption of carbohydrates from food, balancing blood glucose levels, and thus helping to prevent insulin resistance and diabetes. A review of meta-analyses from 2018 found that a high-fiber diet may help lower blood glucose levels and reduce the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. 7. Help prevent anemia. Rich in iron and folate, Chickpeas are crucial in preventing anemia, especially anemia caused by iron and folate deficiency. These nutrients are essential for red blood cell formation and the proper transport of oxygen throughout the body. 8. Support bone health. Chickpeas contain calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium, which are essential minerals for strengthening and maintaining bone health, preventing issues such as fractures, osteopenia, and osteoporosis. 9. Support weight loss. Due to their fiber and protein content, chickpeas are a low glycemic legume that promotes weight loss by prolonging the feeling of fullness and reducing hunger throughout the day. Before we continue, I've got some exciting news to share. If you want to get more engaged, I'm excited to inform you that we now offer channel membership. As a member, you'll pay a small monthly fee and unlock some amazing perks like early access to new videos, priority replies to your comments, members-only shorts, polls, quizzes, and special emojis and loyalty badges just for you. It's a fantastic way to support the channel and connect with us even more. Just click the join button and let's make this experience even better together. 10. Help fight cancer. Many studies have shown that eating chickpeas every day may lower your risk of some types of cancer. Chickpeas contain saponins, which are plant compounds that might help reduce the risk of certain cancers. Research has also looked into how saponins can inhibit tumor growth. Additionally, chickpeas provide a great source of fiber, and a 2015 study indicates that a diet rich in fiber may help lower the risk of colorectal cancer. 11. Improve memory. Chickpeas are rich in zinc, an essential mineral for cognitive functions, which enhances memory and supports the learning process. Also, chickpeas are rich in choline, which is important for the proper functioning of the brain and nervous system. A single cup of chickpeas contains 70.2 milligrams of choline. This nutrient plays a vital role in regulating mood, controlling muscles, and supporting learning, memory, and metabolism. How to incorporate chickpeas into your diet? Chickpeas are super easy to include in your diet. They're budget-friendly and can be found in both canned and dry forms. With their high protein content, they make a fantastic meat alternative for vegetarian and vegan diets. Additionally, chickpeas are quite versatile and can enhance a range of dishes, including salads, soups, and sandwiches. They also serve as a key ingredient in hummus, a tasty dip made from mashed chickpeas, tahini, olive oil, lemon juice, salt, and garlic. Lastly, you can roast chickpeas for a crunchy and delicious snack. How to prepare and use chickpea flour for your health? Chickpeas are easily found in supermarkets and health food stores. To prepare the flour, you'll need a food processor or blender. Start with 4 tablespoons of chickpeas. This amount can be adjusted according to your needs. Preparation process. Process the chickpeas until you get a fine powder, similar to flour. Sift the powder through a strainer to remove larger particles that weren't fully ground. Store the flour in a container with a lid. To take advantage of the benefits, prepare a nutritious drink by combining 1 apple, 1 banana, 500 milliliters of water, and 1 teaspoon of chickpea flour. Blend all ingredients and serve in a pitcher. You can consume this drink once a day, stirring well until the flour is completely dissolved. Versatility is one of the strengths of this flour. You can add it to various foods and beverages, whether at lunch, dinner, or in juices. Health benefits: heart attack prevention, diabetes control, reduction of bad cholesterol, blood pressure control, natural anti-inflammatory action. This is an economical and natural option for taking care of your health, as it requires only chickpeas as an ingredient. There's no need to cook them. Just grind and transform into flour. Daily consumption of this compound can help prevent various diseases, especially atherosclerosis and acute myocardial infarction. It's a simple recipe that offers important health benefits. Do you consume chickpeas in your daily routine? How do you enjoy them? Share your experiences in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please type yes in the comments below. I also encourage you to check out these 2 videos we selected especially for you. Thanks for watching.